Hey beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful, simple, stylish hairstyle, so please keep watching. So guys, to start the hair, I'm dividing into 4 sections. I'm gonna show you guys the back. And I just make sure the line is clean, especially the front. So I'll just twist this and keep aside to avoid any disturbance. So in the front section, I'm going to make 4 big cornrows, 2 each half. And I'm gonna be using feeding method for this cornrow. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of attachment as I cornrow. So the braiding hair I'm using is Expression color 1B, which is almost my hair color. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add these little coily ones. Braid a little bit and pull it aside. Then I add a little more braiding hair to make it longer. And I continue to braid. So guys, the coily beads I added are homemade coils. I made it at home from the Expression attachment to get the coily look. So if you want to see how I achieved that coily look, let me know in the comment section so I can do a video and show you guys how you can achieve that. Please guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate you all, my wonderful subscribers. I see you and I say a very big thanks to you guys for your love and support. So I'm just gonna pack the hair and move on to the back section where I'm gonna be making 4 big box braid. And I will just braid. So guys, at this back I have just 4 big box braids. And I'll just go ahead now and accessorize the hair a little bit. So guys, this is the final outcome. I hope you like it. It took just less than 2 hours to achieve this. So you can leave the hair down like this and just rock it this way, or you can even take it up and just make a bun. I'll show you guys just like this. You just wrap it up and you make a bun. Either way, I'm sure it looks good, just simple and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. Please leave the video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate you all for watching till now. Much love guys. See you in my next one. Bye.